Alright, what's up, you guys? Real quick, I got this Moto X Cambria or something. It's an Italian company that makes all sorts of graphics for MotoGP bikes, and so I ordered this kit. It was around $270. They got it here in 2 days, which was insane because it came from Italy. So I got home and I just wanted to just unroll it here real quick. I tried putting a couple on the tail. First of all, they send me the red decal kit, so half the kit I can't even use. So they sent me red decals to put over the tail, which my bike is already red. So there's issue number one. Here's issue number two. So some of you guys probably, this site doesn't have a lot of reviews or whatever. They're a big company, I'm sure. Not a pleasant experience. This is what they send you, rolled up vinyl, and you're thinking, okay, so you trim it out and blah, blah, blah. So this is a vertical line right here that's supposed to run up the side of the right here. And yeah, so if you guys look real quick, these lines, so this is supposed to be the bottom, I believe. So this is the bottom, and then this line gets tilted kind of vertical like that, like so. So this would be angled kind of down on the bike. None of these fucking lines on here line up with anything. They don't line up with anything on the side of my bike at all. Okay? Not one thing lines up. And here's the other side. So if you look at my Ducati, this fairing's completely different. So you got your clutch and everything over here, this fairing. It's the exact same shape. So that's supposed to be the bottom. And it doesn't line up with anything. It's like, this is honestly just a waste of money. I'm going to throw it in the garbage. So here's I printed this off online. First of all, they got a V4 in here. I'm pretty sure this is the V4. It shows black on the bottom. And then when you click on this kit, this is the kit for the 1199 Panigale, the L twin. So the V2, not the V4. And yeah, so you get a box from this company right here, and then it's just rolled up vinyl. Like, there's nothing else. There's no instructions. There's nothing. Like, it's honestly a huge joke. It was a waste of almost $300. But they just send you a bunch of this gibberish. There's no anything. I guess you just peel and stick whatever you want, wherever you want it. But none of this lines up. Like, at all. You know? Like, they just send you a bunch of stickers. And I'm doing this off my phone, so this is kind of like a... So this is what you get. See if I can undo this here. While holding my phone, this is tricky. Normally I got a helmet on. Okay. So, like, what is this? I know this is for the tail, and I guess this is for the top portion of the tail. Okay. It's red. They didn't give you an option. I mean, I'm just confused. You know, but hey, this might go on the tail. I don't know. So, like, the fairings are different. This is just, honestly, it's just a terrible company. So this was supposed to be the kit that I was going to put on the bike, but I can't even, take it in anywhere to get them to put this kit on, because it literally does not fit at all. So like on here, so if you look, yeah, I mean, so you get ×2 on the bottom for stickers, I guess. There's no black, okay. I mean, do you gotta like cut this on your own or what? I mean, I don't get this at all. Is it like a semi-cut kit, or this is the company here, motoxpricambi.com. They do tons and tons of graphics. I highly do not recommend this company at all. This is not a good experience. I reached out for like an instructions kit, and the guy said email this guy, and haven't heard nothing back. So honestly, I'm just gonna probably not go with the graphics kit, and that's that, I guess. So, you know, I like, yeah. And then, like here, like this is what you get. What is this? Like, where does this go? Like, what is all this gibberish? 04? 99? I mean, where does this even go on the kit? Like, where does it go? And then they send you these. So this is nice. Here, there's more. Okay. So this one is the piece that wraps around the tank right here. And like these, like what are these? Okay, so this is this piece right here that wraps around the tank. This is this piece, and then these lines, these straight lines. Like where do they go on here? So, yeah, that's what I think about that. So, yeah, a little bit disappointed, honestly. Almost a $300 kit after shipping, and it's just a bunch of vinyl, you know. I mean, I could figure out where it goes if there was some lines cut. But, like, I don't recommend ordering from this company at all, you guys. So, I'm a little bit disappointed. I asked for a refund, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to put these in the hashtags and everything. And if you guys are questioning this company, this is what you get. So.